Hey guys, we are going to do a review today of the MiVue 733 dash cam. This is going to be more of a budget dash cam. Instead of going out and spending a lot of money, you can buy cameras like these that are still great quality, full 1080p HD. It does have the GPS speed camera warning, and like I said, it is full 1080p HD. It says SD card bundle. So I'm assuming it comes with an SD card with it, but it does have a screen on it, so you can do all your settings on here if you don't want to use the phone. Um, so we're going to take this thing out of the box and check it out and stick it on the truck, run it down the road, and see what the video quality is like. So it says it has the built-in Wi-Fi for footage, real-time backup to your smartphone, video downloads and settings and everything like that, and to do your updates. Full 1080p, advanced driver assist system. So it has a forward collision warning system on it, lane departure warning system, fatigue alert. We also have GPS, speed warning. The camera lens actually is 130-degree wide angle, so that's nice. We also have the GPS tracking, auto calibrate date and time. I'm going to take this out of the box. We're going to check it out, and then I want to stick it in my truck and run it down the road, make some video. So at the end of this, you will see the video that I posted showing you the video quality. So it does come with an SD card, micro SD, and with an adapter from SD to micro SD. So it looks like it comes with a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. Let's see what we have here. This is the unit itself. Man, that thing is actually really compact, a lot more compact than I was expecting. I was expecting it was going to be larger than this, but this is nice and small, which when you're putting it up in your windshield, you want it nice and small. And that for sure is. So it looks like we have a USB over here to plug in, and that's what's going to power it. Right here is where a micro SD card to go. So we'll go ahead and stick the micro SD in this thing. Camera lens right here. Looks like we have the speaker right here. And this is probably where our mount goes right here on top. It has a slot. It's just going to go like this with the mount on top. And then that's pretty much it. Very simple. On this side, we have a power button and some other buttons I'll have to look into. So right here is going to be our cable, which plugs it in, which is going to be a accessory outlet, like a lighter plug adapter. And it goes down to mini USB to plug into it. And then we have our mount, which is suction cup, so it makes it real nice and handy. One thing cool about the suction cup mounts, instead of being the 3M tape, is if you're transferring it from one vehicle to another, it's really easy to take them out and move it to another vehicle. So that's all there is to that. We got this lockdown suction cup, which are the good ones. Peel this film off here before you stick it. So this is just going to slide right into this slot on the camera, just like that. Locks in there. And now when we suction cup this to our windshield, then that will hang down just like that. And we will plug in our mini USB right here. So to have this going up so you can route your cable up and behind like the rearview mirror, you can actually hide it underneath your headliner and all the way back down. It's long enough to reach your lighter plug and keep your cable from being right down in front of your windshield in the way. So that's very cool too. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in inside the building. It's nice and cold outside, so I don't want to spend a lot of time out there. Just the video part, we'll show just the video out there. I'll take this SD card out, put it in my computer, take the videos out, and show you what the quality really is like. So we plug this thing in. Comes up a nice little display here telling us about a warning. It's already set to miles per hour, as we can see here. It's already recording, which is what you want. So as soon as that lighter plug accessory outlet gets powered up, it's going to turn on and start recording. That simple. We're going to have our power button right here to turn it off and on. And then we'll have the settings buttoned over here. You can see the different things that it does. GPS is not fixed. That's because we're not outside, but it will be as soon as I get outside and plug it in. Emergency recording. So this is obviously going to record emergency recording and save is complete. That means it's going to save it to a file In case there's an emergency, you push this button and it will record a video and save it to this file, be locked. That way your loop recording does not override it, and you can always take that video and it'll be saved on this SD card for you. So that's a very good feature. So when we click on the settings, we click the power button on the side here. It's going to bring up our settings, and these buttons here turn into whatever they are lined up with. So you can see check, which is okay, or then you got up and down. This is select, up, down, and then back would be our power button up here. So if we go down the settings here, we can go to camera, click on this one to select it, shows you the camera, click back on this, Wi-Fi, sound recording, we want the sound on, driving safety, just a bunch of different things in here. If you want to use parking mode, set parking mode, video recording, we can click on this one. And you can see the display here is kind of making this look like it's quivering. It's actually not, but it's obviously the frame rate of my camera making it do that. So the picture on here is really, really crystal clear. It's a nice picture on this display. Actually, probably one of the best I've seen as far as a display this size. This is really good. Clip length, we can select that. And we can go 1 minute video clip length, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, however you like. We'll select that one. Go on down here to other things. G sensor, time speed stamp, text stamp. You can have a stamp on there saying probably your name. If I wanted to put Woodzman on there, it's going to be on there. And then we're going to have the time and date on the video also. We'll go back out. System. We want to format the SD card, and anytime you put in a new SD card, it's always good to just go ahead and format it. So we'll do that. We'll do that by select button. All data will be deleted. Select again. Formatting. We're done. So now our card is formatted and ready to go. Go on down here, see what we got. So now we're back at the top. File playback. If we select that, we can look at the events, the normal recording that it done, which is the loop recording, the event recording, which is one that we saved by pushing this button. The parking, so it's in parking mode, the recording files for it, or the photos that you take. So you can also take photos. Wi-Fi, we connect this right here. It's turned off right now, but I can actually turn this on. I'm not going to turn it on right now for this video purpose, but you could turn that on if you want to use the Wi-Fi part of it. Sound recording, I do want the sound recording on, and a good thing about using the sound recording is whenever you're making a video, if you see a license plate number, you may not see it as good on the camera, so you always want to, in case you need to, you can say the license plate number, and that will put that audio onto your video and for future reference. Go back out of here. Driving safety, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, just different things. Headlight reminder, driver off fatigue, a bunch of stuff that I probably won't be using. Let's go into system. So into system, we can set date and time, system sounds, welcome, sound, all this stuff. We can change all that. Turn the volume up on it. LCD standby, which is how long it's going to stand by before this LCD, instead of showing your screen all the time, it will go off. Language, distance unit. We already got that. We know that's right. And then you can restore all to defaults in case you mess something up and don't know how to get back. Maybe easier just to do that. No, we don't want to do that. And go back out. Now we're going to take this thing out. It's already recording again, but let's take this out. I'm going to stick it in the truck. So all I'm going to do is just stick this up. I'll take a picture of how it just got it stuck on windshield. Take it down the road and record some video, and I'll post a video right here. Okay guys, so here we are looking at it, going up to town up here, so we can kind of see the sun's kind of to my left side. Over there, going down. It's about 4:30 p.m. in the evening. Check out the video here. The GPS part is working and it's accurate because it says I'm doing 42 right now, 41, and that's accurate with my speedometer. have this camera adjusted to where it's just above the hood line of the truck. So it's tilted up a little bit so it's not seeing the hood of the truck in the video. Pull over this. Whoa! You guys about to run over me there. Almost got a good action of the dash cam because this van about backed out into me. So maybe we can see if we can see the license plates on this pickup in front of me. Maybe. Not a very good angle really to see it. So we'll pull in behind this truck here. See if we can read a license plate number. Depends on how close we are. We'll back up this way here. Just kind of go a different way through town here, down the back alley. On a bumpy back alley, so this should give us an idea of what the video looks like. So we'll take this off, add this to the video, and finish it up. Okay, guys, that is it for the Mio MiVue 733 camera, 1080p. Very cool, not bad quality video for the price you get. If you want a budget camera just to throw in your vehicle, you can put this from one vehicle to another because of the suction mount. Easy to use. You just hook it up, plug it in, it starts recording, comes with an SD card. So great value for what it is and nice and compact. Thank you guys for watching. Check out, I'll put a link below for this. Catch you on the next one. Right on.